Hopefully this shit works. Alright, let's see. Yeah, and it's upside down. I will be damned, but it does work. Cool. What it do, what it is. Thanks for tuning into my channel, Chilling with T, man. And today I'm coming to you with a simple radio install and a reverse camera on my vehicle, the Slap Wagon. Yeah, man, I'm gonna go ahead and take this one out. I'm not even sure the model. I think the model number is right there. Clear up some. Camera don't want to egg is DMH-130bt. Mean little basic radio. Only reason why I got it because it has iPod control. And anybody that knows me, I control my music with my iPod, man. So I mean, if it's not iPod compatible, I'm not gonna buy it. And I mean, there's nothing wrong with this radio at all, man. I just want to upgrade. I want something that looks good. So, hold on, baby mama's calling. All right, now back to what I was saying. If I don't have iPod control, I'm not gonna buy it. And there's really nothing wrong with this radio. So, I mean, I'm gonna throw it in the avalanche. But I bought the DMH-130bt. And I could have got the 160bt, but that has the Android Auto and the Apple, I forgot the fuck Apple was called. But anyway, it does not support my iPod. Only ones that support my iPod are the ones that don't have Android Auto and all that other shit on it, man. So I mean, it's a nice, simple, basic radio. It cost me $160. I'm gonna put it in here. I need to go ahead and give me a whole new piece right here and a new in-dash kit, because this is the wrong in-dash kit for this car. That's the reason why I had to cut all this shit up, man. But I'm gonna get a new piece, new in-dash kit, but not today. Today I'm putting this motherfucker in. I also been buying shit for the car constantly. I just never got time to put shit in here because I'm constantly working on other people's shit. That was a lot of cussing. But anyway, I got underglow kit, the Groove car LED strip light. I haven't really. Yeah, you know, I might go ahead and do that this weekend, man. I need to. Like, everybody I know got their damn LED kit on, I don't. And I also got me a reverse camera too that I actually got for the Freeski. Got a homeboy that used to work at that Amazon Fulfillment Center where they do returns and all that shit, and just gave it to him for free. I'm like, cool, so I'm gonna install that too as well. So I guess I'm gonna go ahead and start tearing this radio out and see what all I gotta do. Damn. I guess I done took it out so many times, just made it that much easier to take off. First I wasn't gonna show this, but because I thought I had a whole bunch of spaghetti back here, but it's actually not that bad. The worst part of it is just this harness right here that I got. But yeah, when I put the new radio in, I'm gonna clean all this shit up, man. Clean all of it up. It was not bad as I thought. Okay, I got everything wired up, and I don't hook up everything. Like, for instance, all I hook up is, you know, the black, the ground, the concept, which is yellow, and the red, which is 12 volt, I believe is what they call it. That's all I really hook up, all in the remote wire, of course. But all the speaker wires and illumination wire, I don't hook up at all. I really don't need it. Like, That's the reason why I have so many RCAs. Everything in here is ran off my amps. Like, I mean, the tweeters, door speakers, subs, all this shit is ran off an amp. And everybody knows if you got a Pioneer double din, man, you gotta get you one of these, man. It is the park and brake bypass, man. You just hook up the ground, the remote, and then, you know, the park and brake wire. And then just act like it's already engaged. God damn, boy. I know one thing, with me country, I can't say a whole lot of shit right, but yeah, man, park and brake bypass, get you one. One of the best things I bought, and I've gonna have this on like 3 different Pioneers. Hopefully it works on this one since it's a newer model, but I think it should work. Man, tell me why there's only one subwoofer output, but I have 2 RCAs, so I guess I need to go find a damn splitter. I swear, man, always gotta spend some money with this shit. Car audio is not cheap. Okay, I got everything hooked up. Bear with me on the camera placement. And go ahead and put it on, see if we can get some power, some sound, some ooh, got power already. And we got sound. Let's see about the radio. Oh yeah.
All along.
It's copyright. I forgot about that. But as you see, we have sound and the radio is picking up. Thing does look good. Oh shit. Sorry about the camera placement, but yeah. I'm gonna go ahead, button everything back up. Everything's working. I wish I could hear how the subs sound, but I gotta go buy a splitter. And yes, it does support my iPod. And I ain't gonna lie, for a minute I did not think it did at first. Just because, I mean, this thing has a thing on it called Web Link. See if I can find it. See, it says iPhone USB settings. You can click on it. So it's not gonna do it now because you know, I don't even know if you can see this shit or not. It looks at iPhone USB settings. Right now it's set on iPod, but let's say, let me unplug my iPod real quick. Alright, I can go here and press Web Link. I'm not sure what it is. I guess my damn band-aid done fell off. I'm not sure what it is. I'm guessing you can hook your phone up to it and have, you know, like maps come up and all that shit. But I'm just gonna keep it on iPod. Plug my shit back up. And I mean, just look how quick it connects. I love it, man. Only $160. I haven't tried the Bluetooth yet. I think I got it tuned.
Who gives a fuck about another? Only got love from my fucking gang brothers. Yeah, but I'm young, so nobody would wonder that the hood would take me. Always
Yeah, it sound good, man. Nice and clear. But now it's time for me to take a CBD break. Yeah, man. I had a little bit too much of CBD and forgot I was recording. But I just got back from that Tronic Express. Finally got me some splitters, Stinger splitters, like that. So I'm gonna go ahead and hook it up, man, so I can have my subs working. I just busted a block, you know, just watching videos on it and listening to music. And I don't know, it just didn't sound right without the subs, so I gotta have my subs. So give me a minute, I'm gonna hook this shit up. Okay, so I got everything, you know, back like it's supposed to be. Got the subs hooked up. I can't turn it up too loud. Yeah, I'm at home right now. I ain't trying to police call on me. But like, I know y'all can hear that here. Yeah, man. Next thing next. It's the reverse camera. Matter of fact, I ain't seen this so long. I forgot which one it is. Oh, okay. Yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and hook this up, man. See what it's talking about. Okay, before I get to taking this plastic piece off on this back hatch. I'm gonna show y'all what happened to the box. Man, yeah, man, shit ugly as hell, man. One day it was sound a little strange, so I came back here, my carpet piece was just like blowing this way, man, every time the bass hit. So I just took a knife, sliced both sides, man. Eventually I'm gonna get some black spray paint, sand it down, paint it, but right now I ain't worried about it. I don't open it that much. But so far, I already got this piece off. You pretty much, like this right here, you got these little pull tabs just for, you can just pull it right on off, man. And then, hold on, let me show you. On the back right here, it's two little push tabs. I don't know if you can see on your one right there, one right there. That's all it is, man. Just push it in, it comes right out. And you should be able just to pull it right on off. I think it's how, oh, shit. You know what, let me put this camera down before I kill myself. Just as I thought, that was it. There's 12 of them little bastards on it. I need to stop cutting so much. But yeah, man, I finally got this piece off, man. It's exposed. So now I guess I'm gonna figure out how I'm gonna run the wire. Most importantly, I gotta figure out how I'm gonna get wire from the inside. Let's see. I don't know, I'm about to find a place to run the wire. Okay, I think I got it figured out. I'm just gonna, hold on, let me show you this way. I'm just gonna run it up under that thing. So what I've done is, I don't know if you can see it, there's some hex head screws, not hex head, like Allen head screws. That's right here, two of them. Just go ahead and take them out. One on each side, one right there, one right there. And then come on the inside, there's two like 10mm bolts you gotta take off. I don't know if you can see. Yeah, go to screw right there. But yeah, once you take that off, it should lift right on up. And bam, there's your entrance. Okay, so I believe I got everything hooked up, and I impressed myself this time the way I run these wires, like you can't see shit. But start off at the head unit. See anything? Nah, I know that that's for my lights that I haven't showed y'all yet that I got. But yeah, see anything? Nah, me neither, dude. See anything? No wires. And it actually goes up here. Goes up, damn, I was super close. But yeah, it goes up this pillar, comes back down, under the window, goes back up that pillar. And then it comes out right here and goes in that hole, come out, and goes around. And that's, well, I showed y'all my exit earlier, but bam, that's how that looks. That's how the camera looks. Cool cat tags. But yeah, man, I just gotta put all this shit back on. But hold on, before I do that, let me go ahead and put it in reverse and see what it looks like. Hopefully this shit works. Alright, let's see. Yeah, and it's upside down. I will be damned, but it does work. Cool. 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 Now let me go flip it, because that is just embarrassing. Okay, I finally got everything buttoned back up. Check it out. Look at it. Looks good. Looks factory. Look like I didn't even take it off. Wires ran through there. Yeah, I see nothing to it. Nope. Oh, give me that. I'm thirsty. Nothing. At all. So let's check it out now. Got the camera flip, got everything buttoned up. Reverse. What the? Oh, my dumb ass. Hold on, y'all. Don't laugh at me. Don't joke. Matter of fact, laugh. The more you laugh, the longer you live. Didn't even shut it. But yeah, got it tilted down. And you know what? I haven't even looked to see if, you know, the lights come on or not. I guess I'll do that later on. But check it out. Oh yeah. Looks damn good. I actually kind of want a different one, to be honest, because I mean, don't get me wrong, the quality is good, but I want better. All this shit I just went through, I want better quality. But I guess I'm finna go ahead and watch this thing, and then I'm gonna shoot to Bumfuck Egypt and do a demo. Well, no demo. Sorry, but ran into some technical difficulties. As you look behind me, I'm currently charging my batteries and shit, man. Yeah, lately I've been running. There go the subs, by the way. Lately, I've been running my air a lot because it's been hot in Tennessee. And running your air and running your system at the same time, especially full tilt, is not good for your alternator batteries, none of that shit. And I was just gonna do the big 3 upgrade, man. But no, yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. I'm going to do the big 3. Probably give me another battery for the motor. The Marine battery says it's fully charged, which is odd because my car still has power problems. But other than that, I mean, I don't even know where I'm getting with this. But pretty much, man, I'm gonna go ahead and charge these batteries up, dude. And this is gonna be the end of this video. And what I'm gonna do is, I am still gonna give y'all a demo. Y'all gonna have to wait, man. I'm sorry, y'all just gotta wait. I'm gonna go ahead and do a review on this radio because I looked on YouTube. There's not many people doing a review on it, and I'm gonna give you a demo at the end of the review. So, but yeah, that's gonna be it for this video, man. Thanks for tuning into my channel, Chilling with T, man. Run hard.